Every day we consume energy for many different purposes. Careful management of limited resources and raw materials is becoming ever more important. Despite all efforts to economize, energy is used. It also has to be continuously available. Alternative energy sources are playing an ever greater role. Nevertheless, obtaining energy from fossil fuels will continue to be a major factor in ensuring energy availability worldwide. As a leading manufacturer of round steel chains, RUD with its conveying systems and components makes a key contribution, both to supplying power stations with maximum economy and minimal maintenance, as well as to trouble-free disposal of residues. Recycling, refuse recycling and incineration, biomass and biogas plants all have one thing in common. They only operate efficiently and reliably with a continuous supply of material and constant disposal of residues, with low maintenance and no malfunctions. Now, RUD's decades of experience in conveying technology have resulted in a holistic concept that offers key advantages for both power generation as well as in recycling and refuse treatment technology. With Cratos, RUD presents a technological concept that is specifically tailored to the needs of the power generation and recycling industries. Cratos is not a single product. Rather, it consolidates the full service philosophy in a unique tailor-made concept, consisting of engineering, a clearly and intelligently matched range of products, and the maintenance and repair service that go hand in hand with them. Cratos stands for full service as a concept. In the operation of a coal-fired power station, RUD conveying components play a crucial role at several points. Thanks to their reliability, they ensure trouble-free and thus economically efficient operation, be it in coal feeding or de-ashing. At the heart of the Cratos system are high-tensile round steel chains in new quality grades, and system components such as chain connectors that are as strong as the chains themselves. A system of scraper attachments, whether high strength and easy to fit, pocket wheels or guide rollers, all conveying components are perfectly matched. In a de-ashing plant in a coal-fired power station, the Cratos concept demonstrates its benefits. The Cratos equipment forms the core of the wet de-asher. In comparison to other systems, chains, chain connectors, sprocket wheels, guide wheels and scraper attachments are highly wear-resistant, optimally heat-treated and self-cleaning. Thus, depending on the angle of the rising section of the conveyor, conveying rates of 50 tons per hour and more are achieved. Rugged, low-maintenance design, easy replacement of wearing parts and a long service life ensure economy in operation. Also, between services, the chains can be quickly retensioned. Cratos offers complete lines for material handling. Cratos conveyors can be equipped with round steel or forged forked link chains. They ensure undisrupted conveying of materials and guarantee smooth operation of the lines. Cratos stands for optimal conveying solutions for bunker and stockpile removal conveyors. Whether horizontal, inclined or even vertical conveying is called for, Cratos ensures 100% reliability. Depending on the requirement, Cratos performs the conveying task with complete screw conveyors, bucket elevators or trough chain conveyors. In recycling and composting, the properties of the materials call for high resistance to abrasion and corrosion. Here too, the Cratos system delivers proof of its conceptual advantages. Cratos systems are highly versatile. Whether for biomass incineration, biomass gasification, recycling or composting, with Cratos, RUD can offer the right solution. The Cratos system starts with the customer's inquiry. Even in the planning phase, solutions are developed and optimized in close contact with the customer. Right from the start, Cratos Engineering advises the client. The technology is chosen, computed and designed, always with a holistic approach. Not only product development, but also competent technical advice and support. Cratos is the complete high-performance materials handling technology and component package developed specifically for power generation. For the recycling industry, Cratos is the concept with optimized solutions. Newly developed chain qualities again surpass the already very good characteristics of previous RUD qualities. New production facilities make even higher precision in chain geometry possible for the new Cratos chain qualities. Up to 15% longer service lives and ultimate strengths of over 400 Newton per square millimeter can thus be achieved. Cratos materials handling components such as the RUD chain connectors set standards. Geometrically adapted to the round steel chain links, they attain the same characteristics in terms of strength and service life. RUD is an ISO certified market leader in the manufacture of round steel chains with a long tradition of expertise. All manufacturing processes such as bending, welding and heat treatment are continuously monitored. Cratos quality management exceeds the requirements of the standard. Tighter tolerances result in precise chain dimensions, ensuring exact adherence to the geometry. Heat treatment of the chains has always been a RUD core competence. Computer-controlled and optimized for the materials, it assures and improves, reproducible at any time, the legendary RUD quality. For RUD, Cratos not only means being able to offer a coordinated product range. Cratos stands for competent service with a dense service network, fast reaction times and well-trained service personnel. Cratos service engineers monitor the conveyors in their care at fixed intervals, carry out regular wear measurements and, if necessary, prepare quotations for replacement parts in good time. On request, worn parts can also be replaced directly by the Cratos engineer. Documentation of maintenance is also a part of the Cratos full service offering. Whether in power generation or refuse processing, with Cratos the right and optimal solution is always available. Cratos, 3 pillars, 1 concept. On request, everything from a single source. Cratos engineering concept, from design through product development to support. Cratos product concept, system components with an excellent price-performance ratio and top quality. Cratos service concept, from customer service, maintenance report, on-the-spot replacement or warranty, service that functions. Cratos, unlimited power.